What's up, everybody? You guys just didn't think I was gonna give you 2 videos, did you? No, we usually do 3, if not 4. We'll see. Pretty much leaving. We're getting started right back where we left off, so. Leave no trash behind. But yeah, man, everybody go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Hit that bell. We don't ask for anything. It doesn't cost anything to view. Just come hang out with us, have fun, laugh, kick it with us. You want to comment, say whatever. It's all good. I can take criticism very well. I don't get mad at somebody else.
Don't worry, I'm ugly.
Everybody's got their own opinion, man.
You can tell me how ugly I am in the comment section, please.
Frodo.
Tell me how I look like Jesus, too. People tell me I look like Jesus. Let me know. I'm not saying that I do, you know. I take those compliments seriously. They sometimes go to my head. My head get big. It's not just the hair, people.
This little community here, they got radio flyers.
You can
every corner.
blame my friends for calling me Jesus. That's why my head got so big.
Easy.
Keep on coming. Keep on coming.
Oh, we was watching that corner.
Oh, they got the
Them bricks.
She got her golden retrievers.
Say it again, guys. Yeah, I don't put people on camera that don't know what we're doing here, so. See? Radio flyers. On every little light post, man. Help them get their stuff to trash, the dumpster, groceries, their car, back and forth, whatever. There's some more. I think it's pretty cool, though. They got these little radio flyers to help do their trash. Hold on a minute, guys. You are welcome. You're welcome, man. That bag's gonna go down. Alright, I got it. That was beautiful, Fro. It was beautiful. Like a glove?
Yeah, uh-huh.
It was beautiful. You wasn't even close.
Give me just another, yeah.
Sometimes in life, man, you can't just keep asking for things. You gotta take it.
I took it.
Alright, good. You okay, buddy? Alright. Corey's okay. You guys wanna go talk to Corey? We'll talk to Corey. Are you Lottie already taking it up, buddy? I am. Good. I'm just kidding, guys. Always you gotta be ready for something to come out the side of these when they're full like that. That dumpster is up there. I mean, up there. I've had them come off the hooks, shaking them back and forth. I've had them actually come off that hook when it didn't have a clamp on it. I've had them actually come off that hook and just slam down. Whoa! You learn, trust me, you learn real quick not to do certain things. Try to step back here with you guys for a minute so you can see. Doesn't do it really too much justice when you're looking at it on camera, but it's taller than the truck when it's up there. Just trying to give you guys some good video. Gotta watch what I'm doing when I'm walking backwards. I ain't trying to go viral. Oh, was that right there? Oh yeah. Feels
That
good.
hurts.
Feels good right there. Smacking that. It's your hip or whatever. Got another dumpster to do on this site here.
Whoa.
Boom. Ooh, potato. 2 points. Right in thy box.
I gotta go back. I gave him that international signal, you know. I gotta go back.
You gotta go back right now. Alright guys, I can get up on top of this hill now, so I can definitely show you guys. To get my finger out of the camera here. Ugh. I gotta mess with this camera some more. Welcome, Mats. Oh, come on. My lighter dried up right now. You guys see, definitely taller than the top of the truck. So when it's up there, yeah, she's up there. I feel really little standing next to that. And yeah, you guys see us playing around sometimes, but yeah, just do it to a certain extent. Hopefully if I'm on the same truck tomorrow, guys, go ahead and drop a couple more videos, that's for sure. But just having fun for the day. That is for sure. Getting stuff done, knocking it out. Short week, which pretty much means that little less dumpsters and stuff to do for everybody, so get stuff done a little quicker. Rudy and a roll off. Sorry guys, I had to set you guys down for a minute. I need to borrow your lighter. So. Hold on. Grab the phone. You can't, yeah, your finger's the way the camera's up there.
I know.
There you go. You don't have to film me. Instead of playing a reach game here. Pass the phone back and forth.
I was having fun with the camera, just moving it all around.
You can video if you want to, bro. No?
I want to play on that merry-go-round. It's really bendy though. Still want to play on it though. Just a big ass kid.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Let me swing you around this way.
Probably gonna get off work and go help my brother with his car. Get one towed over.
I don't think it's gonna reach, is it?
No.
No, it's not. Well,
I forgot to tell you. I told you this one doesn't.
oh wow.
Hold on.
Uh-huh. Yeah, you're gonna have to be a two-hander, buddy. I got longer arms.
Strap.
Right. Oh, man down. I tried. One more.
Can't even do it.
Nope.
You did too many.
So you gotta turn that off. Never mind, you can't really hear it.
Where are you at, buddy? Coming to the town?
Strawberry.
Yeah. Is Ryan in here? Ooh, dang, we got a bunch of strawberries here, Adam. I got you one. Here you go, buddy.
No, I don't. Get out of here.
Go ahead, take
Get out of
a
here.
bite.
Nope, get out of here.
Just got into Lindsay as I got the stuff over by the farm. And then I get a call from Rudy saying that Tom wants me to come over there and help cook the food. So I told Brian, I told Brian to do it.
So you gonna help us there, Bar?
I'm doing rice coming in right now.
Yeah, I wouldn't help Josh either. He sat in the truck half the day yesterday.
Who? It's Pat.
Josh, help. No, yesterday he sat in the truck half
Like you don't know.
So,
Sits in his truck half the
no,
day.
I'm just figuring him, instead of him going with Flash, you know what I'm saying, over there.
He's with laughing.
I know.
I ain't talking no crap. I'm doing this shit. Flex is done.
I'm just saying, Josh needs some work.
The rant is on.
Go right now.
He's taking another dust.
And he's still there, ain't he?
What do you think, Corey? You having fun, buddy? Yeah?
I think that if you could harness the power of steam with some sort of piston engine, you could make giant river boats that would travel on their own power across the river, where people could sit, gather together, have fun, play cards, other casino games, that sort of thing.
Good things, for sure.
When I invent that,
Back to human activity.
yeah, that's what I'm going to retire. I'm going to invent that. Riverboat gambling.
Are you gonna be the captain, or are you just gonna be on the casino floor?
I think I'm going to be whatever I want to be that day.
All right, all right.
I am the owner. And I can do whatever I want. I won't be crazy. I'll be eccentric because I'm rich.
Well, if you need any help working on the boat, just remember Microtech Engineering. I'll come out and help
I'm
you.
going to need all kinds of peons with no money.
All right, we'll be good, bro.
That's what keeps rich people living.
Right.
Sucking the blood right out of the core.
And of course, we got Amplex coming down the street.
Oh, okay, cool. already one side.
Right, already, yeah.
They might as well park right on the other side.
Easily, yeah, like right there. Just stop right there.
Probably their trailer.
How'd you take the words out of my mouth? I was just thinking over here.
All we done is dodge trucks all day long. Look. Yeah, I think he's
Yeah, I know
probably.
you said that.
Yeah, he's tied up with that.
Yeah, no shit.
The daily life of garbage man and other traffic and other viewer or other companies trying to get their work done too. But 9 times out of 10, we help them out, they help us out. It's all good. It's something to complain about, I guess. I'll give Pat this heavy styrofoam. There you go, Bo. I don't want you to strain yourself on that either. That's heavy, bro. I'm telling you.
Man, you better help me.
I will.
I need your hand.
I will. I'll help you in a second. Hold on.
Got it. I think it all came out.
He just wanted to be on YouTube.
It was a song too.
Yeah. Oh, happy days.
I got some stuff to tell you, but it's not. Can't be on camera.
Yeah, no camera activity for that. Oh, yeah.
Don't worry, ladies. I can do that for you too.
So basically what he's saying, if you got more than one trash can, he can carry it.
What are you saying behind my back to that camera?
I said, don't worry, ladies. He's just letting you know he can carry more than one trash can. If you have more than one, you'll be all right. Go handle that. Right up.
You're right.
You got it?
Yeah, I got
6'4".
long enough.
It's
on.
all right. 6'4". Handle out. Yeah, I love when they get stuck like that.
I just got tired.
Just gotta sit there and just jiggle, jiggle, jiggle.
Exhaustion hit in real quick.
That is really heavy. Excuse me.
Oh.
These Amplex dudes are looking at me like, what is this guy doing? I'm taking video. Oh, wow, bro. Hold on, I gotta switch hands. Yeah, I was gonna say, I'm not doing it with that one. Yeah, I was just gonna switch hands, I would've got it.
You like that, guys? He switched hands.
I should kick every single one of these cones over. Dink, 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 dink. No, I'm not gonna do that.
Oh, there's a box where I was gonna keep going.
Oh my god, I almost died. I'm just kidding. Oh,
What? You thought it was coming out?
it was going to.
It was.
He hits that gas pedal just right, it's over. Bucket. Ball.
Wow.
Ball, ball.
Oh,
Fireman's still watching.
I couldn't catch it. Alright, I guess I better stop playing around in the garbage truck. I saw that, Adam.
I did too.
I saw you reach over and smack it.
I did. Access denied. But no cigar. What do we have in here? Ah! No, trees.
So just wait for it today.
Huh?
Wait for it today.
Yeah, later.
What? Mine?
Mine? Mine? I don't know what that is. That's all you gotta do. Just kick it. Good old kitty litter. I don't know what you were doing. I said no. Stay in the yard, not in the street. Do it. Oh, right over his head.
Damn it.
Dang it.
I gotta go to Fremont Ross to get it. Little Giants. Oh, Fremont Ross, Little Giants.
Little Giants. Yeah, about that.
Give props.
That was stupid. I don't know why they did that, but okay. That. People, man. Alrighty. Anyway. Ow! Try to use my finger. There's my finger, you will not take it. Swung the bounce and sit right where they're at.
Giddy up, cat.
Dun, 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 dun.
Nail by
Cap. He-Man status. 25 minutes, alright, guys, about 25 minutes and almost 25 minutes into this one, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut it off and might make another one. We'll see what's up. If not, see you guys tomorrow. Later.